Good morning to all. Today we'll read the poem The Ball Poem by John Berryman. Through this poem, the poet has described the reality of life which everyone has to face one day. He has touched the topic of how to stand up against the miseries and sorrows of life. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. Here some literary devices have been used. Here, the poet is talking about a boy who has lost his ball. He wants to know about him and his reaction because he has lost his ball. He asks to himself that what this boy will do after losing his ball. The poet had seen the ball going away from the boy, and he says that the ball was cheerfully jumping up and down in the street. This means that when the ball skipped from boy's hand, it went into the street and later it fell into the river nearby. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. I'd not intrude on him. A dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. Here also, repetition and asynchron has come. The poet says that there is no benefit of consoling the boy by saying that he will get another ball because he has other balls too. He says so because the boy is feeling very sad. He is completely surrounded by sorrow. He is sad because all the memories of the childhood days went down the harbor with the ball. Here the poet says that the boy is very sad as the ball, which has now gone into the water, reminds him of those sweet memories of the times when he owned it. It reminds of his childhood. This loss is unbearable for the boy, and he is very sad. The poet says that he can't even tell the boy to take some money from him in order to buy another ball because the boy was attached emotionally with the ball. He said so because the new ball will not bring the sense of belonging to the boy. Further, the poet says that the time has come for the boy to learn the responsibility of taking care of things. In a world of possessions, people will take balls will be lost away. Little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external money. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. The epistemology of laws, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. So he was understanding. Here the poet says that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world, many of his belongings will be lost. He personifies the ball as his belongings because his childhood memory was attached with the ball, but in the worldly things or the relationship he is possession of. He says that he has to learn to live without them no matter what. He says no one can buy back such things for him. The poet said so because according to him, money can't buy you everything. If it does buy you some materialistic thing, still it will not be able to buy the sense of belongingness, the attachment the boy was having with the ball. He says that the boy is learning how to stand up against the sense of lost things. This means that the boy is trying to learn the real truth of life, which states that you have to accept the miseries of life and stand up again. This is the truth which everyone has to learn in his or her life. The harsh truth of standing up against the odd miseries of life that everyone has to bear means everyone has to be ready to feel it that one day they will lose their belongings, the loved ones. So, your summary is the poet is talking about a little boy who has lost his ball. He was playing with his ball. The ball skipped from his hand and went into the nearby water body. The poet says that this sight of the boy losing his favorite ball made him think about the boy and his reaction to his situation. Further, the poet says that the boy was helplessly looking into the water where his ball had gone. He was sad and was trembling with fear. He got so immersed in his sorrow that he kept standing near the harbor for a very long time and kept on looking for his ball. The poet says that he could console him that he may get new balls, or he could also give him some money to buy another ball. But he stops himself from doing so because he thinks that the money may bring a new ball but will not bring the memories and feelings attached to the lost ball. He further says that the time has come for the boy to learn his responsibilities. Here, the poet wants to say that now the boy will learn the toughest lesson of life, the lesson of accepting the harsh realities of life, that one day he will lose his loved ones and another loving things. Means one day he will lose. He will have to be ready for that. Now, here are some questions related to the poem. These are some MCQ type questions. What does John Berman want to convey through this poem? Money, though, is very important in our life, but it cannot replace everything. Explain. So, these are some questions. I hope this will help you out to understand the poem. Thank you.